Presenting the Shark-powered lift-away. This powerful small vacuum converts to lift-away. Watch how power is delivered to the unique motorized brush roll. So vacuuming under beds and sofas is easy. With no loss of suction, cleaning stairs and hard-to-reach areas is a breeze.
Watch how Shark's complete seal technology makes this Shark even better. Even with a HEPA filter, dust and allergens can escape back into the air. But the combination of Shark's complete seal technology and HEPA filter means that 99.9% of dust and allergens stay locked in. Plus, the controls are up on the handle, so moving from soft to hard flooring is done with the flick of a switch. The amazing Shark-powered lift-away 3-in-1.
Shark Brilliant.